Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. This is part 3 video and answering what is the total cost to fertilize Pat's lawn. And in part 2, we talked about finding the total area. How we found the total area, 152 feet squared. So go ahead and review that video number 2 in answering this one question if you do not understand how we found 152 feet squared. So you're going to take that measurement of the area, 152 feet squared, and multiply it times the cost, which here is 25, 0.25 is 25 cents per square foot. So it's going to cost 25 cents for each of these square feet. So you multiply the total value of the area times 0.25, and that will give you the total cost of what it's going to cost Pat to fertilize that entire back lawn. All right, so again, in order to find that value, you have to multiply 152 square feet times 0.25. That gives you the total cost of $38 and no cents. So remember, in the instruction, you got to round up the value to each dollar. So here, this is values rounded up. $38 is your answer in order to fertilize 152 square foot of lawn at 25 cents per square feet. Now, if this is all new to you, I got some search engines you can use, some search titles you can put into any search engine. So conduct an internet search for free. Practice problems with answers on. Of course, you want answers because you want to know if you're doing it right or wrong. If you're doing it right, keep doing it. If you're doing it wrong, check your work step by step. Find your mistakes. Each time you do, you get better and better and better. Trust me, I make lots and lots and lots of mistakes. All right, so fill in the blank with the following. Find the area of rectangular shapes. Finding area of irregular rectangular shapes. Find missing lengths of rectangles. Multiplying numbers and decimal values. This will strengthen your skills, knowledge, and ability, or knowledge, skills, and abilities, I like to say, in mathematics. It'll make you stronger, better. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. If I gone too fast, please stop, pause, rewind the video, and watch again. Please like, follow, share, subscribe. Thanks again for joining me. Math is easy. Step by step.